Today, we're going to go over 5 common mistakes when it comes to drug testing. Many industries test their employees for drugs, whether it's in the healthcare industry, the government sector, education, or more. However, it's important to avoid errors when it comes to drug testing your employees. Some of the most common drug testing mistakes include privacy negligence, sample collection errors, lacking a clear drug testing policy, or ordering the wrong drug test in general. Failing to follow industry and federal guidelines for workplace drug screening can be devastating. When it comes to drug testing your employees, negligence can stem from how the test is conducted, errors in documentation, or mishandling of samples. When an employee seeks employment and their employer requests a drug test, any data the employer provides must be accurate to avoid negligence. Also, you'll want to avoid drug testing errors by choosing a reputable drug test provider with FDA-approved and CLIA-waived drug tests, such as 12-Panel Now. When setting up a drug testing policy, make sure it aligns with local, state, and federal laws. Also, make sure to review your policy yearly and consistently and communicate it with your employees. When it comes to ordering the correct drug panel for your policy, make sure to choose a drug test that's accurate and aligns with your guidelines. Our Serenity drug test cups can detect up to 22 different substances, including fentanyl, THC, alcohol, and more. Our cups also help detect adulterants for urine tampering. If you're looking for a drug test cup that's accurate and reliable, go to www.12panelnow.com today and order your test.